What's good? Melissa, what's up, love? Coco, stock motherfucking option. What's up, love? How you doing? It's Bird of Prey, yo, looking out for you. I feel you, bro. I appreciate that. Look at the cookie. Coco.
Hey, bro, we got a problem, man. We got a problem with Piggy. We got a medical problem. I don't know what to do. What kind of insurance we got, huh? Blue Cross, Blue Shield, some of that shit?
Fuck, bro. I don't know. I thought we had some like Aflac United Health type shit.
I don't know, bro. I was looking through the papers. I can't find anything on Piggy. I don't know if we ever signed her up, Probably because she's a whore, But I'm going to put her on. She's got a condition. Maybe you would know how to, maybe you could comfort her. I don't know. Talk to her, please. Like she's driving me crazy, yeah?
Well, we just pretty much had an educational agreement to not get her insurance. And just if we need to buy a raid kit, then that's, what I'm saying? We're going to have to just take the expenses out of our pocket.
Oh, no. Believe me, I'll go up there with a coat hanger and, fucking clean it out. I have no problem with that shit. I got plenty of coat hangers to spare. I got plenty of coat hangers to spare, and I got a pair of fresh underwear. You don't need to worry about that. I just fucking, she's got to talk to you about this, all right? Let me put her on for a second. I'll drag her ass off and throw her down a flight of stairs if she gets out of line. But let her go for a second, okay? Thanks. All right, hold on a second.
Do not throw her downstairs.
Daddy, there's cum coming out my snout, Daddy.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Daddy, I need your help. Daddy Bird, please.
Oh,
Daddy
shit.
Bird, listen, this is one time for science. Do it for science, Daddy.
Oh my God!
I need you to take the sharp end of your beak.
It dripped.
I need you to take the sharp end of your beak and clean the cum out my snout. And I need you to bend me over and blow my back out, please, Daddy. Please, Daddy. I can't breathe.
No. Clean yourself up. You are fucking disgusting. Whose is that? I don't even want to know. Now I feel weird. Why would I ask that?
I don't know who it is, Dad. All I know is I earned $1,500 today. I gave some just dripped on the couch. Oh shit. There's cum everywhere, Daddy.
How about you keep a stack out of that if you go clean yourself up?
There's cum everywhere, Daddy. I don't know what to do.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I made $1,500 today. 500 to Cookie
shit.
and 1,000 a grip to Big Daddy Bird. And I can't fucking breathe.
This bitch is crazy.
I have a queen. I have a queen. Daddy, take the sharp end of your beak, clean the cum out my snout, and blow my back out.
My
Please, Daddy
God.
Bird. Please, Daddy Bird. Piggy, enough. I think you got the idea. You fucking
Bro, she is fucking grotesque.
What you do, huh? You get clogged up again? I'm gonna take the plunge into your face. I'm sorry, I apologize. I just don't. It's overwhelming. I gotta run this. I gotta run this whole fucking thing. I gotta get the trucks in and out. It's enough worrying about getting the trucks in and out and fucking. Frankie, Frankie, drive that shit up Miss Piggy's nose, huh? Drive that shit up Miss Piggy's nose. Run it up there.
Oh
there
my
it goes.
God.
It's going through the other nostril now. We're gonna get it clean. We're gonna get it cleaned up. Oh,
you sick fucks.
Just when you thought Frankie couldn't do a fucking thing right in his life, he fucking takes that 18-wheeler, he drives it up right up Piggy's snout. She's gonna be all right, huh? We're still in business, bro.
I guess
Let's
we're
go.
Yo, Cookie, you're a psycho, bro.
Hi, everybody.
Yo, everybody favorite sock right now before he gets out of the box. If you haven't favored me already. If you're fucking masturbating Indian right now and jerking off to my puppet, at least hit me with a fave and hit stock with a fave. Hit Cookie / stock / motherfucking Miss Piggy. That was pretty gross. That bitch had cum dripping out of her nose. Oh my God. It was. Did y'all see a drip? It like literally dripped from the nose as she was getting excited. That bitch is gross. Yo, the goose. Thank you, bro. Lit. Wheels be popping. Wheels. We got the bonus right now. Motherfucker. Who is that? Hannah? I knew it. Hannah. Thank you, love. Alexa, play hip hop hits.
Here's a station you
back
might
to the ice
like.
spill. She wants
Talk
the ice
Hip
banging
Hop
again.
on Amazon Music.
I've seen it today. I've seen somebody get it. I don't know if we're gonna get too lucky because I don't know how it works. But I saw on somebody's stream they hit it. Motherfucker only spun like 4 wheels too, a cocksucker. Hannah, thank you, love. Hey. Alexa, play the baby blind.
Blind by Da Baby,
It's my new
featuring
shit
Young
right here.
Thug on
It's not
Amazon
even that
Music.
new.
Yeah.
I just got the key to
I've been blind for a while now. I just got the key that let me in. No ID, doors opening up for me and now I see. I've been blind for a while now.
It's my shit, bro.
I've been blind for a while now.
Shout out.
I've been blind. Hey. Every single goddamn day, nigga think he next to Piggy, next to who's
Hey.
made a bust man. Nigga better catch
we about to slide on some people.
They better make it too hard for me to learn my lesson. Got them hard. The way I did it worked out fine. Ooh, God, you blessed. Hey,
yo, we fucking out in that game. Hannah, thank you. Yo, Hannah, the fucking queen of the Hannah, you just the queen, though. You're fucking savage.
Let you know it ain't easy. I feel like a
motherfucking singer from the
like a cheater. Go! I don't have to watch on. Never see music for a clock. I see the way fucking at the top.
Like,
no one is ever gonna stop. And he charge on the 50 for the first time. Yo,
King Warren. Oh, no, that's a
queen. If you ever gonna pop, go! I just got the key that let me in. No ID, doors opening up for me and now I see. I've been blind for a while now. I've been blind for a while now. Let's go! I just got the key that let me in. No ID, doors opening up for me and now I see. I've been blind for a while now. I've been blind for a while now.
Hey,
yeah.
Fuck it up. Hey, love, how we doing? Beautiful, what's going on? What's the word? What's that beautiful word? And about to hit a bone. I'm feeling it coming out a lot. I feel this shit coming.
Yeah, I'm on probation, so it's gas I blow. I fall love in my bitch, so I don't ask no more. I can really sit back, ain't gotta pass no door.
Hey,
my brothers
come on,
get I don't got right with pistols. They found them dead, he ditched you. PTBS, don't you tell me you lost me. Fuck all the rest, let them bitches go right now. Go to the head whenever dogs with me.
Oh, that's famous. So yeah, what's good, love?
Blood on my white one. I just got the key, they let me in. No ID, doors opening up for me and now I see. I've been blind for a while now.
Yo, King, thank you, my God. Hannah, thank you, love. You fucking are savage. Thank you so much.
I just got the key, they let me in. No ID, doors opening up for me and now I see. I've been blind for a while now. I've been blind for a while now.
Orange Queen is in the house. Let's go. She in the house. I keep saying king. It keeps confusing me because you have the king in front of you. Hell no. Can't think. I'm like, no, she a girl. I could beat her. That's not the king. It's the queen. We the queens. The queens. Hannah's the queen. Yo. We all chickadees up in here. But I don't know. Hannah's a savage queen. A savage love. I'm not playing Savage Love anymore. Yes, she is. She's a savage. It's like, she fucking next level savage. Sweet but Psycho. Oh, there we go. Alexa, play Sweet but Psycho.
Here's Sweet but Psycho by Ava Max on Amazon Music.
Yo, Hannah, everybody like Hannah. Like Hannah, like the Justin Bieber song. A little bit psycho. Don't like you and she like everyone.
Oh, she's hot but a psycho. So left but she's right though. At night she's screaming, my mind. She'll make you curse.
Thank you, love.
She'll rip your shirt.
Queen, thank you, love. Hannah, thank you, love. Stock, thank you, love. Hey.
Just can't help it. No, you'll play along.
I appreciate you.
Let her lead you on.
We out here. Stock, you didn't have to do that to me. It was a joke. Mr. Dr. Rainbow, everybody. Mr. Stock, stop trying to tease me with all your shenanigans. Oh my God. Oh, that was way too bad. See, I can't hold it for long. Wow. That was like the most homosexual thing. Like it's like literally going through like growing. I don't know. It just reminds me of somebody taking up the ass. I'm just gonna be honest. Thanks a lot.
So someone
Fly out on
said,
somebody.
don't drink her potions. She'll kiss your neck with no emotion. When she's mean, you know you love it. She tastes so sweet.